For potato salad, you want to start with a waxy potato, a potato that lends itself to steaming. Take your pick, experiment, see what you love. So to start, simply simmer your spuds until fork tender and then drain them. The dressing for a potato salad is super flexible and can go any direction you want to take it. There's a few basic principles though that'll make it easier for you to experiment. So in this case, the body is the potatoes, aromatics such as celery, onions, herbs and spices. It's gonna need salt. Salt pulls flavor out. So I'm using our Montana Mex seasonings. That's where we're getting our salt. You're gonna wanna add fat. We're using our heart healthy avocado oil. You can obviously use mayonnaise as well. So you're also gonna want acid. Acid is the great equalizer when it comes to flavor and taste profiles. So we're using lemon and red wine vinegar, but of course you can use any vinegar you like or other citrus. And if you like your potato salad sweet, a touch of sugar or honey should do the trick. Stir it up, check it, taste it, tweak it to suit your taste buds, and enjoy.
Nice job, buddy.